So Public Works has ownership of 12 separate water systems within Lake County. And for all of those, we do both the maintenance of the systems as well as the emergency repairs, and then programmatically we replace a certain amount of the system each year. We've recently upgraded the equipment that we use to perform the repairs and to monitor leaks and to respond to them more quickly. And I'm really proud of the fact that we were able to do this in a very safe manner. We had no lost time incidents in 2017, and we're always looking for ways to improve safety of the crews.
Lake County Public Works Department typically averages out about 110 water main breaks a year. Typically on water main breaks, there's a couple different styles of water main breaks. You have the big fancy ones that blow up out of the ground and shoot you. That's very rare that ever happens to us. Most of the time water main breaks are small leaks that develop into a big leak. First response is our operations staff typically makes the first response to the location. They're usually in the area. They will find out what kind of leaks, where it's leaking from, the address and everything else that we need right away. Once we find all the utilities in the area, our backhoe crews come in, our excavation crews, our repair crews come in. They'll come in and start excavating. There's a couple ways we might have to excavate. One is with a backhoe. Once we expose our water main, there's a few different things that we find. It's usually what we call a shear break, a hole in the pipe, or we have a sewer, our water service that's attached and has fallen off the main. Those are the three things that typically happen in a water main repair to start a leak. The first two are very easily to make a repair. If it's a shear break or a small hole in the pipe, all we do is we put a stainless steel full circle band around it, clamp it on there, and the repair is over and done with. The worst case scenario, if we have a lot of deteriorated pipe, then what we end up doing, taking a section of pipe out, anywhere from usually 5 feet to 10 feet pipe typically in our area. We end up taking that out, removing it, and putting a brand new piece of pipe in place. And we make couplers that attach the two pieces back together. And then we start beginning the backfill process. Spring arrives, or the weather changes enough, or we have enough settling done, and we can turn around and make a permanent repair at that time.
So sometimes the emergency outages occur in the middle of the night, sometimes it's in the middle of the cold, sometimes it's the heat of the summer. It really doesn't matter. The dedicated Public Works team that we have always approaches it in a professional manner and does everything in its power to restore service as quickly as possible.